Here's something nobody wants to admit. The people actually making real money with AI are not the ones posting about it. They're quietly running boring little businesses you'd scroll right past. Because boring doesn't go viral. There's no flashy screenshot, no dance, no hype. But boring pays the rent every single month on autopilot. So today, 5 unglamorous AI businesses ordinary people are quietly running for $5,000 a month or more. No audience, no coding degree, and no paid tools required. And one simple rule connects all 5. People don't actually pay for AI. They pay to make a boring, painful problem disappear. Keep that in mind as we go. Business number 1. The AI automation handyman. Every small business has one boring task they repeat all day long. Copying orders between apps, answering the same 5 questions, chasing invoices. It's mind-numbing, and they hate it. The handyman doesn't build software. They just wire up free AI tools to handle that one task automatically. A weekend of clicking, no real code. Then they charge a few $100s to set it up, and a monthly fee to keep it running and tweak it. Fix 3 or 4 of these and you're past $5,000 a month. Why does it work? Because you're not selling technology. You're selling the owner 2 hours of their day back. That's worth almost anything to them. Business number 2. The faceless content engine. Pick one narrow niche. History facts, stoic quotes, money tips like this channel. Then post short, faceless videos every single day with AI doing the script, the voice, and the editing. Here's the secret. The boring part, posting consistently for months, is exactly why it works. Most people quit by week 3. The ones who don't win the algorithm. Once it grows, it pays 3 ways: platform ad revenue, brand sponsorships, and eventually selling your own simple digital product to the audience you built. And the best part, once one faceless channel works, the whole system is a template. You can spin up the next one in a weekend. Business number 3. The lead generation middleman. Local service businesses, plumbers, dentists, roofers, are fantastic at their job and terrible at marketing. They don't want to learn it. They just want the phone to ring. So you use AI to write the ads, build a simple landing page, and send automated follow-up messages to everyone who shows interest. The AI does the heavy lifting. And you don't sell vague leads. You sell booked appointments, real people on their calendar. Charge per appointment or a flat monthly retainer. A handful of clients clears $5,000 a month. It works because you get paid for an outcome they can see, a full calendar, not for hours or for some tool they'll never understand. Business number 4. The productized template shop. Instead of doing the work for people, you sell them the exact recipe, the prompt pack, the spreadsheet, the AI workflow they can copy and run themselves. You build it once. A real estate agent's listing prompts, a restaurant's social media kit, then you sell that same file 1,000 times while you sleep. The winners here are painfully specific and cheap enough to buy without thinking. $27 to solve one annoying problem? People click yes instantly. And once it's built, there's no client work, no calls, no delivery. It's almost pure margin. That's why a boring template shop scales so quietly. And business number 5. The AI translator for small business. Most business owners know AI matters, but it feels overwhelming and a little scary. Your whole job is to translate it into plain English and hand them a simple plan. You audit their business, find 3 places AI saves time, set the tools up, and stay on a monthly retainer to keep them current. You're the calm guide, not the genius. And you don't need to be an expert. You only need to be one honest chapter ahead of the person you're helping. That's enough to be worth thousands a month. Now notice what none of these 5 needed. No big audience, no funding, no computer science degree, no expensive tools. Just one boring problem, solved for one real person. So here's your move. Don't chase all 5. Pick the one that fits you, solve that problem for a single real person this week, and let it compound from there. Boring, done consistently, is the entire secret nobody posts about. If this gave you one usable idea, subscribe to Moth Money, and we'll see you in the next one.